Our hands tell our story. They nurture loved ones, offering comfort and warmth in every touch. They create beauty, whether through art or craft, and work tirelessly to bring our visions to life. Before we move on, please take a second and use your hands to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any new episodes. Soft, youthful hands bring joy not just to ourselves but to those we touch. They are a symbol of care and tenderness. They make us feel confident and radiant, allowing us to express ourselves with grace and poise. Taking care of our hands is self-care. It's a ritual that rejuvenates our spirit and refreshes our mind. It's an act of love for ourselves and those we touch. Our hands convey emotions and connect us to others. We can enjoy life's simple pleasures with soft hands. A warm embrace, kneading dough, or even a gentle touch can make a world of difference. Gardening, planting flowers, and nurturing life. These moments are sweeter and more fulfilling with well-cared-for hands. Prioritizing hand care is an investment in our well-being. It ensures that our hands remain strong, healthy, and beautiful. It's a gift that keeps on giving, allowing us to share our love and care with the world around us. Cleaning is essential, but harsh chemicals and hot water take a toll. Our hands often bear the brunt of it. Dryness is a common problem. It can lead to itchiness, cracking, and even pain. Frequent washing strips away natural oils. This disrupts the skin's moisture barrier. Wrinkles and fine lines can appear prematurely. Prolonged exposure to cleaning agents can also cause irritation and redness. Protecting our hands while cleaning is crucial. Choosing the right products is key. Opt for gentle, pH-balanced soaps. Look for moisturizing ingredients like aloe vera and shea butter. Avoid harsh antibacterial soaps. They can be overly drying. Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Apply hand cream after every wash. Choose a thick, rich formula for nighttime. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides. They attract and retain moisture. Small changes make a big difference. The power of gloves. Gloves are more than just a simple accessory. They are essential tools that protect and preserve the health of our hands. Gloves are a hand's best friend. They shield our skin from the harsh realities of cleaning and other tasks, ensuring that our hands remain safe and unscathed. They provide a protective barrier against harsh chemicals. Whether it's scrubbing the kitchen or tackling tough bathroom grime, gloves keep our hands safe from harmful substances. Wear gloves for washing dishes, cleaning bathrooms, and handling harsh cleaners. These tasks can be tough on the skin, but with the right gloves, you can protect your hands from damage. Choose the right gloves for the job. There are many types of gloves available, each designed for specific tasks. Selecting the appropriate gloves ensures maximum protection and efficiency. Latex or nitrile gloves are best for wet tasks. These materials are waterproof and provide a snug fit, making them ideal for tasks involving water or other liquids. Cotton-lined gloves offer comfort for dry tasks. They are breathable and gentle on the skin, perfect for activities like dusting or folding laundry. Don't forget to moisturize before putting on gloves. Applying lotion creates a protective layer that keeps your skin hydrated and healthy. This creates a nourishing barrier. The combination of moisturizer and gloves helps to lock in moisture, preventing dryness and irritation. Gloves are a simple yet effective way to keep hands youthful. By protecting your hands from harsh elements and maintaining their moisture, gloves help to preserve the softness and youthfulness of your skin. A My Hand Cream Epiphany, a personal story. I'll admit, I wasn't always diligent about hand care. I used to think that hand creams were just another unnecessary luxury. Years of gardening and DIY projects took a toll. My hands were constantly exposed to dirt, tools, and harsh conditions. My hands were rough, dry, and showing signs of aging. The skin was cracked, and wrinkles were becoming more prominent. Then, I discovered the power of a good hand cream. It was a revelation. I decided to give it a try, hoping for some relief. I started keeping a tube everywhere. My purse, bedside table, even the barn. The transformation was amazing. I made it a habit to apply it regularly. My hands felt softer, smoother, and more youthful. The cracks healed, and the wrinkles seemed to fade away. It was a simple change with a profound impact. I felt more confident and happier with the appearance of my hands. Now, I never underestimate the power of hand care. It's a small effort that makes a big difference in how I feel every day. Our hands work hard. Let's give them the love and care they deserve. By incorporating these simple tips, we can enjoy soft, youthful hands for years to come. Remember, self-care is not selfish, it's essential. Thanks for watching today's episode, and we'll see you in the next video.